fix YouTube homepage not showing videos problem. So for this, just go ahead and open your YouTube channel. So right now, as you can see, there are no videos in my YouTube channel. So go ahead and check for your Wi-Fi connection. So when you are not connected to your Wi-Fi, the videos might not show up in your YouTube homepage. So as you can see, once I'm connected, the YouTube videos has appeared right here in the homepage. If not, head back from here, press and hold the application and go to App Info. Tap on Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Once you do this, the minor bug issue must be solved. If not, force stop your application. Head back from here, then open your Google Play Store. Search for YouTube. So right here, tap on YouTube, and if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall a better version of your YouTube. And that's a wrap for this video as well. We hope this was helpful to you, and thank you so much for watching.